Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Max app on your Roku device and start streaming, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen. Step 2. Scroll to the Streaming Channels option and select Search Channels. Step 3. Type Max in the search bar and select the official Max app from the results. Step 4. Click Add Channel to download and install the Max app on your Roku. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, open the Max app from your Roku home screen. Step 6. On the Welcome screen, select Sign In or activate your device. Step 7. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 8. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to max.com. Activate. Enter the activation code shown on your TV, then log in with your Max account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription. Once the code is verified, your Roku will refresh automatically and Max will be activated. You can now enjoy HBO originals, blockbuster movies, and exclusive content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.